Hey, I'm Ehsan Bahrami and welcome to this video. In this video, we're first going to talk about what a programming language is, and then we'll go over the languages used in different programming fields. This will help you choose the right programming language based on the field you want to get into. Some of the languages we'll be covering include Python, JavaScript, PHP, C Sharp, and more. Before we dive in, I recommend subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell icon so you get notified as soon as new videos go live. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. It really helps me out. Let's start by getting familiar with the basic concept of programming. In simple terms, programming is the process of writing a computer program. A computer program is essentially a language between humans and computers, allowing them to communicate. The person who writes this program is called a programmer. And just like learning human languages like English or German, a programmer learns how to speak to computer using programming languages. In other words, programming helps us offload repetitive tasks or complex calculation to computers, saving time and resources while improving accuracy. Now that we've briefly covered what a programming language is, let's move on to the main topic of this video, choosing the right programming language. Once you've decided on the programming field you want to pursue, you can find the link to that video above or in description. The next step is picking the right programming language for that field. Unfortunately, many people start learning a programming language without understanding the different fields of programming first, which isn't the best approach. Let's now look at the programming languages best suited for each field we've previously discussed. First, let's dive into web development. If we break web development down into two main parts, backend and frontend, we can use languages like Python, PHP, C Sharp, and others for the backend, while JavaScript is the go-to language for front-end development, although JavaScript can also be used on the backend too. Next is mobile development. There are two main approaches to mobile development. If you want to write code once and have it run on both Android and iOS, you can use languages like Dart or JavaScript. But if you want to write separate code for each platform, Kotlin and Java are commonly used for Android, while Swift is used for iOS. Moving on to desktop development. For desktop applications, the programming language you choose depends on the operating system. For example, C Sharp is a great choice for building software on Windows. However, other languages like C++ and Java can also be used for developing desktop applications. Next, let's talk about artificial intelligence. AI is a wide range of applications today, and many libraries have been written in various languages to support it. One of the best options for AI programming is Python due to its wide variety of libraries, ready-made code, and extensive educational resources. The next field is game development. Game development involves using a variety of programming languages, but C++ and C Sharp are among the most popular choices in this space. Now that you've been introduced to most of the common programming fields and their recommended languages, it's worth mentoring that there isn't always a strict boundary between which language can be used in which field. For instance, JavaScript can be used in AI as well. The goal here is to show which language are more commonly used and can help you work faster, more efficiently in a particular field. By now, you should have a better idea of which programming languages are best for the field you've chosen. You can confidently move forward with learning your language of choice, and in future videos, we'll cover this in more detail. Thanks again for watching this video, If you want to support me in making more content, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and set it to all so you don't miss any new uploads. Your likes and comments mean a lot to me, but I try to read and respond to every comment. Until the next video, take care, friends.